everyone, Miss Story here. I'm doing a video today for you in the hope that you will go on to try and do your own version of this. What I'm going to show you is images by Gustav Klimt. He was part of an art movement called Art Nouveau. He was a symbolist, and this was in 1909 when he painted a picture called The Tree of Life. He originally trained as a goldsmith under his father, and he liked Byzantine art, which is the religious art where a lot of gold is used. So you will see he uses lots of gold imagery, and he created his version of the Tree of Life, and here is mine. Hopefully you'll be inspired, you'll be able to follow the steps and go on to create your own work. This is the painting, The Tree of Life by Gustav Klimt. As you can see, it's got two sets of figures in it. One is a lady with her arms in the air, and she is made to look like an Egyptian. And on the other side, there are two people who are embracing or hugging each other. Today, we're going to try and do our own copy of the Tree of Life picture. To do this, we're going to follow these 4 simple steps, and I will go through them one by one. First, using a pencil, try to draw a tall, thin, pointed trunk. So start at the bottom of your paper and draw a diagonal upwards and then back down at the other side. So this will form the tree's trunk. Next, you're going to add some spiralling branches. If you draw them as a single line, like the swirl at the bottom on the left, and then carry on to add an outline to them, this will make the branches of the tree so that they look like the one in the picture. Once you have filled out your tree and added as many branches as you would like, draw over the lines with pen and erase the pencil lines. Now it's time for us to add some detail. If you look back at the Klimt picture, you will see what he includes. The pharaonic falcon, which is sat in the tree, the bird which is in the tree, and the eye of Horus, which is here. It looks similar to a mushroom shape, and it's got a top of the eyelid and a dot for the eye. These are the shapes within Klimt's painting, and you could use any of these to decorate your tree. Here I have drawn for you the Egyptian eye and a similar bird to the one that Klimt used within his tree. Here is my step-by-step demonstration. Drawing the trunk, going around to form the branches, so you know how high you would like to go with your tree, and drawing in the triangle to the top of the picture and back down to the bottom. Next, from that trunk that you just drew, add the branches. These are going to be spirals at the end, so make sure they curve around. Go a little way up, draw another. This is an imaginary tree, so don't worry, you can't go wrong. Just enjoy making the patterns, adding the branches, as many as you would like to add in response to Gustav Klimt's The Tree of Life. Draw a line to show that the tree is going to grow from the earth. And begin to add detail. Here is the bird that I'm adding right now. My next step is to use a pen and outline my drawing. At this stage I need to try and be more accurate, however the pencil will erase afterwards. Do not try to erase it straight away. Wait a while until the pen has dried. Add some circles, triangles and squares, and maybe make a few of the flowers like I've added to the garden. Once you've done this response, it's up to you how you choose to colour it. You could stain it by using tea and a sponge and a paintbrush if you have some, or used coloured pencils or felt tip pens. Just try and make the best response you can to the work of Gustav Klimt.